CJ's playing the Just Dance game. This is like his favorite song. He didn't want me to see him, so he shut the door. You see, I'm taping him through the door. He doesn't even see me. This is like a robot one he's doing. And he's double fisting it with 2 remotes. This kid's something else. If he could dance, if he could talk as good as he dances, that'd be awesome. Oh, let me move that. That was in my way. That was on his dance floor, evidently. My mom does this dance when she goes out. The end. He is too funny. Oh, let me take a break now. I'm so tired from all this dancing.